Hey, what's up guys? John from PromoWeapon, back with a quick update. As you know, I'm a graphics guy. I've been in graphics for 20 years. Yes, I'm old, it happens. Those of you that are new to the channel, welcome. Again, I'm a graphics guy, and I help people learn Photoshop, Illustrator, CorelDRAW, Canva, just about any graphics type of software or app. And I'm offering a new service that's one-on-one help where I will come into your computer via remote access, TeamViewer, Zoom, what have you, and actually get you up and running with whatever problem you're having with whatever software you're using, basically. Because I know that it was helpful back when I was learning graphics for somebody to just hang out over my shoulder and go, well, you almost got that, but you needed to click this before you clicked that, or to achieve this, you're going to have to do this first, and kind of set me on the right path, and smack my hand when when I was messing up or whatever. But it's a service I'm offering now, and I thought it might be helpful to some of you who are just getting up and running. Maybe you're new in the business, maybe you work for a screen print shop, maybe you work for a sign shop. Maybe you're a social media person and you need some graphics for, the web or Facebook or Instagram or whatever, and you're working in Canva and you just want to throw something together real quick, but you don't quite know how to get there. I'm your guy. So I will leave a link to a web form on my site in the description, so you can go and fill out that form if you need some personal help. Otherwise, if you don't want to mess with that, just shoot me an email at info@promoweapon.com. and I will get back to you probably within a few hours, like 24 hours at the most. And I'm looking forward to helping you, and I hope that we can work on some stuff, because I'm ready to rock and roll. Thanks for being here. Oh, please hit the subscribe button if you find this channel helpful in any way, shape, or form. It really does help the YouTube algorithm kind of push. You know how it goes. Talk to you later.